Buhay Canada! Come to work with me! Napakainit ng panahon ngayon pero kailangan nating magpunta sa site buong hapon pero sa umaga punta muna tayo sa opisina. Today is Philippine Independence Day and we are celebrating it with fellow Filipinos at work. And here I am jumping into the job site. Yung high school na papagawaan natin, they have this wonderful carpentry class na they build small parang sheds pero mukha na silang bahay, di ba? Tinuturuan sila ng kanilang mga teachers. So yan ang kanilang mga actual jobs na ginagawa throughout the year. I have the architects inside one of the portable classrooms.
Which ones are you guys going to
and they are gonna measure on 4 of the existing portables kasi kasama sila sa ating project na gagawin sa isang addition. Tumingin ako sa labas kasi alam ko napakainit. I'm just showing you where I am right now and the area that we are going to be building. Doon sa malayo, andoon yung mga contractors as you can see. And ako, dito lang ako, sinamahan ko yung mga architects. 4 na oras akong nasa labas ha. Kaya, ang totoo, napakahirap para sa aking magpaputi. Anyway, that's it for today. Have a beautiful day.